There's something that will help you double your income over the next 12 months, and it costs very little to start. You don't have to learn a new skill, and you can manage this without hiring anyone else. Now, this isn't something that's brand new. It's been around for a very long time, and people have had success with it in the past, but it's been considered kind of a dying art. And so people haven't been doing it as much, but it's having a resurgence. And I want you to know about it as quickly as possible so that you can ride this wave. And I don't say that lightly. I'm someone who was homeless just 10 years ago, and now I've raised millions of dollars and generated millions of dollars for myself and for other people. It's important to me that as many of us as possible have this upward mobility. And so I'm on a mission to help 1,000 people make $1 million or more in the next decade. To get there, we have to start somewhere. So on my YouTube channel, you'll see videos about making your first 1,000, making your first 10,000, and making your first 100,000. I want to show you how to double your income with very little effort, but a lot of passion and heart, and it's meaningful and it's totally legal. The key to all of this is monthly recurring revenue, a very simple platform that does not take a lot or any tech knowledge. If I can do it, you can do it. And something that is purposeful and fun every single day so that you keep going back to it over and over again. What I'm talking about is a membership. And what I want you to do right out the gate, before you think of anything else when it comes to this membership, is I want you to change the word membership to community. Think about the community that you would want to put together, that you would want to work with every single day, that you would want to see win. What community of people do you want to see do well in life? That is your membership. Now, there is a video that I put up just a few days ago that teaches you step by step exactly how to figure out what type of membership to have. And once you've figured that out, you're going to need to know the platform to use, the pricing, the decisions you're going to have to make, and your schedule. All of these things can be taught in just a few days. And then the community around that, the camaraderie, is what really, really sets you in motion. So for instance, I know someone inside of Arlan's All Access, my community, who I'm teaching how to build their own membership. And her membership is helping people use their hands and tools to build things around the house. So she's a handy woman, and she's teaching other people how to go from not having built anything to building things with their own two hands. I'm teaching her, along with the rest of the people in the group, how to start a membership and use YouTube to bring in traffic to that membership. There's also a woman who is an amazing singer. She has had an incredible career as a backing vocalist for some of the most famous singers we've ever known. She's from the States, but she lives in Spain, and she wanted to have a way to connect with people all over the world and tell her story and let people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s know that there's so much more for them. So she's learning how to build her membership while writing her new book. We have someone else who is in construction with her family business and is teaching other people how to start their own family business. There's someone else in our membership who is the mother of a student athlete, and she's helping thousands of parents keep track and organized within the membership so they can travel, they can get uniforms, they can get food, and plan their whole season with their child. The list goes on and on and on and on. These are people just like you who at one point thought that they could not make money the way that they're making money now. They thought it was one path. Now they get to get paid twice. They get paid to do what they do normally, and they get paid for the membership and community around that skill and that experience. So you can 2x your income. You can keep your gig right now, your job, keep it, build the membership over the next few months. And as you build it, it'll start to make more money than you make at your day job. And once it makes more money than you make at your day job, you then get to decide, do I want to leave the job behind, or do I just want to keep cashing in on both? The ability to make that decision is huge. And I'm not just telling you this, I'm not just guessing. Let me show you what I've done in the past 2 months alone. This is my main membership, Arlan's All Access, where I teach people how to start their memberships and how to dominate on YouTube. I started this 2 months ago. You can see my welcome message on August 4th. I'm recording this at the beginning of October. If you go into the settings and look at the payouts, this is all I've been paid out in the past 2 months. It equals nearly $100,000 on its own. And 26,000 of that is monthly recurring revenue. Then if we go here to my brand new membership, List Builder Pro, where I'm teaching people how to go from 0 to 1,000 email subscribers in 90 days, I've made $2,700 in 1 week. I launched this a week ago and I didn't spend anything on ads, and I just did the thing that I'm teaching other people to do. And now I have this. 550 of it is monthly recurring revenue. So I'll just keep building it and building it and building it. Then my third one that I started just a couple of days ago is a $4,999 yearly membership. I already have someone who signed up in the past 5 days. So even if I have one new person sign up every month, it builds and it builds and it builds. And then you add all of this up and you have more than $100,000 that has been earned in 2 months. I didn't even know how to use this platform more than 2 months ago. I've just been studying it every day. In fact, let me show you what I mean. When you go to my profile, you can see how many activities I did each day. You see, this is all blocked out. This is the most you can have. Every day I come in and I do this, and it's not a lot of work or effort. What it is I'm just replying to people. I'm liking people's posts. I'm looking around. I'm posting a few things myself. I may spend a few minutes per day whenever I want to tending to the garden. That's how I think about it. It's like tending to the garden, seeing some things here and there. And this is just every single day since I started on August 4th. That's all you have to do is come in and tend to the garden, tend to the community, and you will have success. Hey, thanks so much for watching. It's been amazing spending these last few months with you. Please do me a favor and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now if you're getting any value out of this or any of my videos. It helps me so much. And more than 30% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribers. So if that's you, hit the subscribe button and let's get right back into it. There's steps you can take that are very specific to do this. And I will show you step by step exactly how you can start your own community and membership, and you can make 2 times what you're making right now. Imagine that in 12 months, you have 2 sources of income instead of 1. And you get to decide if you want to keep your job or leave it. Now, the results you have will vary. I can't guarantee exactly what you'll make, but I tell you what, if you do everything I teach you inside of Arlan's All Access, you'll have the best chance to make $100,000 or more. There's even a guarantee that I have on the About page at the link below in my description that tells you all about it. So check it out. Your next steps are you are going to think about what you want your community to be. You're going to think about why you want to have that type of membership. You're going to go to the links below in the description and just check them out. Watch my mini masterclass video on the landing page. See if it's for you. See if it's what you want. And then I'll take you step by step. We're going to talk about how you select the platform that's right for you. We'll talk about the marketing to bring in traffic on a daily basis so that every single day, even when you're sleeping, people are looking at your landing page and joining your membership. I'll teach you how to write your copy on your About page, how to get people interested, and how to keep people inside of your membership once they're there, so you have that retention. I'll teach you how to give someone a transformation that is life-changing or makes their day better so that they're more likely to join your membership. And I'll tell you the 3 things that most people forget or don't know to begin with that can tank a membership platform. So if you've ever had a membership before, it may be because of one or more of these 3 things. And I teach you all of that inside of Arlan's All Access. If you're not quite ready to join, take a look around at all of my YouTube videos for the past few weeks. I've taught you so much that you can learn, and you can use my free resources to make the money that it would take for you to join. Because if the free stuff works, you better believe the paid stuff does. So I'll see you inside.